Imagine a world without Google search. No instant answers, no directions at your fingertips, no cat videos on demand. This is the World Site Reliability Engineers, or SREs, at Google work tirelessly to prevent. They are the guardians of Google's production environment, the unseen force ensuring billions of users experience the magic of Google without a hitch. This is a glimpse into their world, a world where reliability is not just a goal, but a core value woven into the fabric of Google's DNA. Most people picture sprawling server farms when they think of production at a tech company. While servers are a crucial component, Google's production environment is a far vaster ecosystem. It encompasses everything that users directly interact with and rely upon. This includes the software running on those servers, the intricate network connecting them, the meticulously structured data centers housing them, and the countless lines of code dictating their every action. But it doesn't stop there. Google's production environment also encompasses the user interfaces people interact with, the intricate algorithms delivering search results, and even the security protocols safeguarding user data. It's a complex symphony of software, hardware, and human ingenuity, all working in unison to deliver a seamless user experience. At Google, they don't simply view production as a means to an end, they treat it as a product in its own right. Just like any other Google product, their production environment has users. In this case, anyone using Google's services. It has features such as scalability, reliability, and performance, and yes, it even has bugs, which they strive to identify and fix before they impact their users. This approach fosters a sense of ownership and responsibility amongst SREs. They are not just system administrators keeping the lights on, they are engineers building and iterating on a critical product that underpins all of Google's offerings. SREs are the guardians of Google's production environment. They are a unique breed of engineers, blending the skills of software development with a deep understanding of systems and infrastructure. Their primary mandate is to ensure the reliability and performance of Google's services. But their role extends far beyond simply reacting to outages. They proactively identify and mitigate potential risks, automate repetitive tasks to improve efficiency, and collaborate closely with software engineers to design systems that are inherently reliable and scalable. They are constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible, all while ensuring Google's services remain available to the world. Reliability is not an afterthought at Google, it is a core feature of their production environment, and like any feature, it is meticulously measured and managed. They utilize service-level objectives, or SLOs, to define the acceptable levels of availability for each of their services. These SLOs are not arbitrary targets, they are carefully chosen based on user expectations and business impact. To give themselves room to innovate and deploy new features quickly, they also define error budgets. An error budget represents the maximum allowable downtime or degradation in performance for a service. This allows them to take calculated risks and innovate without jeopardizing the overall reliability of their services. In a dynamic environment like Google's, change is constant. New features are released at a rapid pace, code is constantly being updated, and infrastructure is continually evolving. To manage this constant flux, they have robust change management processes in place. Before any change is deployed to production, it undergoes rigorous testing and review. They utilize automated tools and canary deployments to minimize the risk of introducing errors or causing downtime. Their philosophy is to deploy changes incrementally and monitor their impact closely. If any issues arise, they have rollback mechanisms in place to quickly revert to the previous stable state. In a system as vast and complex as Google's production environment, having comprehensive observability is paramount. They have sophisticated monitoring systems in place that collect and analyze enormous amounts of data about the health and performance of their services. These systems provide them with real-time insights into everything from CPU utilization and network latency to error rates and user experience metrics. This constant stream of data allows them to detect and diagnose issues proactively, often before they impact users. It also helps them to understand the impact of changes, optimize performance, and make informed decisions about capacity planning and future development. Despite their best efforts, outages and incidents are an inevitable part of running a system at Google's scale. When incidents do occur, they have a well-defined incident response process to minimize downtime and resolve issues as quickly as possible. Their incident management teams are composed of highly skilled SREs who are on call 24/7 to respond to emergencies. They utilize a blameless postmortem culture, where the focus is on understanding the root cause of an incident and implementing preventative measures, rather than assigning blame. This encourages transparency, learning, and continuous improvement. While technology plays a crucial role in Google's production environment, it is the people and the culture that truly set them apart. SREs at Google are empowered to make decisions and take ownership of their services. They have a strong culture of collaboration, knowledge sharing, and continuous learning. This collaborative environment allows them to tackle complex challenges collectively and learn from each other's experiences. They believe that by fostering a culture of ownership, they empower their engineers to do their best work and take pride in building and maintaining a world-class production environment. Google's approach to production is not just about keeping servers running, it's about striking a delicate balance between innovation and reliability. By treating their production environment as a product, embracing automation, and fostering a culture of ownership, they are able to push the boundaries of what's possible without sacrificing the stability and performance their users rely upon. This approach has enabled Google to scale to billions of users worldwide and deliver groundbreaking products and services. The lessons they've learned along the way have implications for organizations of all sizes, demonstrating the power of reliability as a key driver of innovation and growth.